Today is Monday, April 2026, and as of this moment, the market has not yet opened for the Monday session in the United States. Rivian Automotive Inc., trading under the ticker symbol RIVN, currently sits at a price of 17.23 following the close of the last trading session on Friday, April 17, 2026. This closing figure represented a solid 2.01% move to the upside, a gain of 0.34 USD in a session where the stock showed significant intraday volatility, peaking as high as 17.78 before settling back down. While the broader market might be looking at that 17.23 mark as just another standard fluctuation, the underlying reality suggests something much more calculated is happening behind the scenes. Most investors looking at Rivian stock today see a company that has spent the last few years trying to climb out of a deep capital hole, but the data from this past week reveals a tightening of the spring. The expectation among retail traders is often that Rivian is a secondary player, forever destined to live in the shadow of the massive Nvidia stock or Apple stock headlines. However, the reality we are seeing in the order flow and institutional activity suggests a pivot. Rivian recently reaffirmed its 2026 delivery guidance of 62,000 to 67,000 vehicles. To some, that sounds like a safe, conservative number. To those who look closer, it represents a massive ramp-up requirement for the back half of this year. We are talking about a company that produced just over 10,000 units in the first quarter of 2026. To hit their year-end targets, they effectively need to double their quarterly output starting right now. This gap between what the market expects, steady, slow growth, and the operational reality of a massive production surge is where the opportunity and the risk currently collide. If you're using something like the SoFi trading platform or checking your positions on the Robinhood app, you've likely seen the stock bouncing around the 17 range for weeks. This consolidation isn't accidental. Institutional volume has been quietly stabilizing as the company moves into the launch phase of its R2 SUV. The R2 is not just another car, it is the make or break moment for this business model. While Tesla stock remains the benchmark for the sector, Rivian is attempting to execute a playbook that looks remarkably similar to the Model 3 ramp-up. They're moving from high-priced, low-volume luxury trucks into the $45,000 to $50,000 price bracket, where the real volume lives. The recent price action has been characterized by high-volume spikes followed by low-volume drifts. This typically indicates that large players are accumulating shares without wanting to trigger a massive price breakout quite yet. On many investing sites, the narrative is focused on the net loss per vehicle, which has narrowed significantly but still remains a drag. But look at the technicals. RIVN has established a strong floor around the 15 mark and has successfully stayed above its 50-day moving average of 15.49. This suggests that the market is beginning to price in a successful R2 launch. If you're managing your own portfolio through online investing, you have to ask whether the current $21 billion market cap reflects a company that is about to become a mass-market manufacturer, or if it's still priced as a niche luxury builder. What's fascinating is the divergence in sentiment. If you look at Interactive Brokers trading data or the trends within Fidelity wealth management circles, you see a lot of wait-and-see positioning. But the reality on the ground in Normal, Illinois is that the plant expansion is finished. Employees have already begun taking deliveries of the first R2 units this month. This is a massive leading indicator. When employees get the cars, customer handovers are usually only weeks away. The market is expecting a slow trickle. The reality could be a flood of deliveries in the second and third quarters. This is the tension that keeps the stock from either crashing or mooning prematurely. Let's look at the institutional side for a second. We've seen a shift in how Fidelity mutual funds and other large institutional holders are treating the EV sector. There's been a rotation out of some of the overextended tech names and into beaten-down industrials with tech upside. Rivian fits that bill perfectly. Unlike some of the newer EV startups that have struggled with self-investing and capital raises, Rivian still has a liquidity cushion of roughly $6.5 billion. Is it enough? That's the billion-dollar question. They are still projected to have a negative EBITDA of around $2 billion for 2026. The margin for error is razor thin. If the R2 launch hits a snag, that cash pile starts looking very small very quickly. Common wisdom says to wait for the earnings report on April 30 to see the official numbers, but the market rarely waits for the news to move the price. The smart money is looking at the Uber partnership for autonomous robotaxis and the Volkswagen joint venture as long-term safety nets. These partnerships provide something more valuable than just cash. They provide a validation of Rivian's software stack and electrical architecture.
When you're using a tool like Schwab Intelligent Portfolios or a SoFi robo-advisor, these qualitative factors often get lost in the sea of quantitative data. But for an individual brokerage user, these are the catalysts that drive the next 50% move. The day-to-day grind of RIVN stock has been a battle between short sellers who think the EV transition has stalled and long-term bulls who see Rivian as the only legitimate challenger to the established leaders. Trading volume recently has been averaging around 29 million shares a day. On days when it breaks 40 million, we almost always see a move toward that 52-week high of 22.69. The stock is currently about 24% off those highs, which means there is significant room for a recovery rally if the Q1 earnings call on April 30 provides even a hint of ahead-of-schedule news regarding the R2 production line. Let's break down the actual business for those who haven't tracked every single 10Q filing. Rivian is more than just a truck company. They operate a vertically integrated ecosystem. They make the hardware, they write the software, and they manage the charging network. This is the same reason why people buy Apple stock, the ecosystem lock-in. Their commercial van segment, specifically the deal with Amazon, has already put over 30,000 vehicles on the road. This provides a steady, predictable revenue stream that many other EV companies simply don't have. While you're looking at your Robinhood investments, it's easy to forget that Rivian isn't just selling to people who want to go camping. They are selling to the largest logistics companies in the world. The narrative of the EV market is dead is a great headline, but the data says otherwise. Adoption is still growing, just at a more normalized rate. The expectation was a vertical line up. The reality is a steady climb. This cooling of expectations is actually healthy for the stock in the long run. It washes out the speculators and leaves the long-term holders who are using their Fidelity IRAs or Interactive Brokers account to build a position over time. It's about the shift from hype-driven pricing to execution-driven pricing. Now I want to hear from you. We're seeing a lot of mixed signals in the EV sector right now. Comment below how many shares of Rivian you currently hold and what your average cost basis is. Do you think the R2 launch will be the moment this stock finally stays above 25, or are you expecting more production delays? Getting a sense of where the community is helps us see if the retail sentiment is matching the institutional move. As we look toward the future, the outlook for Rivian is entirely dependent on their ability to scale. In the next few months, we are going to see if the Normal, Illinois plant can actually handle a two-shift operation. If they can, the unit economics change completely. The loss per vehicle, which was around $5,650 last quarter, could drop significantly as fixed costs are spread across more units. That is the path to profitability. It's not about some new technology or a secret breakthrough. It's about the boring, difficult work of manufacturing at scale. If you're using the Fidelity mobile app or checking your SoFi active investing account today, keep an eye on the 17.05 mark. That's the consensus price target from analysts right now. Breaking through that resistance on high volume would be a major technical signal. The macroeconomic pressures of interest rates are still a factor, as cars are big-ticket items that rely on financing, but the demand for Rivian's specific adventure brand remains high. They have a brand loyalty that almost no other startup has managed to capture. The reality of Rivian is that it is a high-stakes bridge. On one side, you have a successful but low-volume luxury brand. On the other side, you have a mass-market powerhouse. The R2 is the bridge. If they cross it, the 17 price point will look like a gift in retrospect. If they stumble, the market will be unforgiving. There is no middle ground here. This is why the institutional activity is so quiet. They are watching the bridge. To wrap this up, the expectation for Rivian was that it would be the next big thing immediately. The reality is that it is a grueling, capital-intensive climb. However, the closing price of 17.23 and the recent stability above moving averages suggest that the foundation is stronger than the headlines suggest. We've moved past the phase of speculative dreaming and into the phase of hard-nosed manufacturing. For the patient investor using a Fidelity trading platform or a Robinhood stock trading account, the next 6 months are likely to be the most important in the company's history. The central insight here is that the market is currently underestimating the speed of the R2 ramp-up. Most models assume a slow start, but the sightings of fresh-off-the-line vehicles in the wild suggest Rivian might be further along than they are letting on. If they beat those delivery numbers in Q2 and Q3, the expectation versus reality gap will close violently to the upside. Keep your eyes on the volume and the production updates. The story of Rivian is being written on the factory floor, not in a press release. This is a game of execution now, and the market is waiting to see who blinks first. Stay grounded, keep an eye on the data, and don't let the short-term noise distract from the long-term manufacturing milestones. Authority in this market comes from knowing the difference between a temporary dip and a structural shift. Right now, Rivian is making a structural shift. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Please do your own research before investing. Market involves risk. Like this video, comment your thoughts, share with your friends, subscribe for more updates.